Alright, so we have a 2007 BMW 335i in here. Just replace the radiator on it. And we're going to go ahead and bleed out the cooling system so there's no air bubbles or air pockets in the system. There's actually a way to do it using the factory bleed system. And it's real simple. The only caveat to it is you may want, if you have a weak battery or whatever, you may want to hook a battery charger up to the battery while you do this, perform it. It takes about 10 minutes or so for the factory procedure, and it will run your electric water pump on your engine, so it can be a little bit taxing on your battery if you don't have a battery charger hooked up. So I went ahead and hooked the battery charger up to it, and I'm just going to show you. It's real simple how to bleed out the system on this, and it uses the electric water pump to perform it. So we'll go in the car next. I'll show you what we have to do inside the car to start it, and then go from there. Alright, so we're inside the car, and all we're going to do is turn the heat all the way up, 84 on both sides. Have your blower motor on the first setting or the lowest setting, and you got the key on, obviously. And all you're going to do is hit the accelerator pedal and hold it down for about 12 seconds. So just floor the accelerator pedal with the engine off and count about 12 seconds. And then you can let go of the accelerator pedal, and you should hear the electric water pump outside running and doing its thing. So we'll go outside and check that out. Alright, so hopefully the camera's picking it up. Kind of hear the water flowing. And the water pump does its thing. So it takes about approximately 10 minutes for it to go through the process. So just let it go through the process. Don't touch the key or anything, and just let it do its thing. And then after it's done doing it, you should be good to go. Recheck your fluid and take it for a ride. But that's how you burp the system or bleed the system on these BMWs. This, like I said, this is a 2007 335i. I'm sure it covers several years with the electric water pump, but you can kind of hear it running. Kind of hear the fluid flowing over there. So, like I said, let it go about 10 minutes, and then you should be good to go. And if you got a battery charger on there, your car should start. You should be good to go. So that's just a little short video or tip on how to bleed out these BMWs after you do any kind of like radiator change or hose or open up the system in some way. They're really loud there. Anytime you open the system up on it, you want to perform this procedure and make sure it's bled of all the air out of the system. So anyway, it's a short video, it's easy. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll see you on some more down the road. And as always, God bless.